Alright guys, finally, we're done. Holy fuck, was this painful. Thanks for everybody that helped. Helmet Pornapalooza number 3, probably the last one. They have lost their luster. And there's the final list. Live. We're going to do a multi-round giveaway on Ultimate Break Room account. New giveaway. Description right there. Holy fuck, the man cold is kicking my ass. Here we go. Should be 100 names. We'll drop them. 100 entries right there. Alright, 5 or greater, 2 dice. Ooh, 11 rounds. 11 rounds. Woo, buddy. I'm not as quick as some of these guys do. A fucking 100 of these a day. Here we go. Round 1. Begin. Kaiser on top. 2, 3. Joe Young. 4. Morse. 5. Schulte. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good luck, guys. Last and final round. Sean Skeldon is on fucking fire. My wife is calling me at the wrong time. There it is. Skeldon down through Lemansky. And that'll do her. Verification code. Click it up. Bring it up in the new window. Post everything here in a minute, guys. Congratulations.